Hey, good morning everyone, or good evening, depending on which time zone you are in. Welcome back to another White Sponge live stream. Okay, so for today's live stream, we will be finishing up the last part or the last bits of the new update. Okay, so for today we will be adding that new pickup animation for when you collect a star. Okay, so let's do that now by going to Unity. Okay, so we already have the sprites or animation frames for the animation. Okay, we just need to change some settings. Okay. Okay, so there are two parts to this animation. Okay, the first is the circle that will shrink as the animation plays. Okay, the other part is the light rays that will indicate the shine when you collect the star. Okay, but for now, let's create the prefab first. Pickup. Okay, star underscore pickup. Oh shit. Okay, underscore circle. Okay, we need to adjust the order and layer so that it appears over everything. Okay, 3 should be enough, which should put it above the characters, the enemies, and the stage. Okay, but not above the pause scene. Okay. And next we need to add an animator. Which will allow us to create animations for it. Okay, let's call it star pickup circle animator. Okay, so currently there are no animations for this, so we'll create a few. Okay, the first will be star underscore pickup underscore idle order circle underscore idle. So this does nothing, but it's the default starting state. Okay, and then we'll add a parameter boolean, and let's call it is start animation. Okay, so now let's create a new animation. Okay, and let's call it star underscore pickup underscore circle underscore start. Okay, so for this animation, it will be simple. We will just scale it down until it becomes 0, which means that you won't be able to see anything. Okay, so for the first frame, we'll jump right to scale of 0.9. And over here, okay, we will go straight to 0. So from the default starting animation, hey, welcome back, Princess Rika. How's your day? If start animation is true, transition duration 0. So if I play it, okay, it's rather slow. Let's try a faster frame rate. Oh, by the way, I just updated to Unity 5, and the game performance, or rather there is a slight increase in the game performance, as in the increase in game performance is visible, just that a lot of things have to be adjusted for Unity 5. Okay, let's create a new prefab for the light rays. Okay, star pickup, ray, animator. Okay, so we are creating the animation for when you pick up a star, and it consists of the circle and the light rays that would indicate the shine. Okay, so let's create the animations now. Okay, let's call it star_pickup idle. Okay, this is the default starting animation. Okay, we add a new parameter called if boolean if start animating. Okay, by the way, I've also updated the OS version. So if the live stream seems weird, okay, do let me know. _ray_start. Okay, and lastly, the last frame, bum. Okay, that's too slow. Okay, we also need to make sure that the animation is not repeated. Okay, so it only gets played once. So we have to uncheck the loop time. And we have to connect them. Okay, so now that we have the two game objects that make up the pickup animation, okay, we can go to the animation manager and link to the two game objects so that we can start creating the animation, the pickup animation for stars. Okay. Okay, so we have the star pickup circle and the star pickup ray. Okay, so going back to the animation manager. Okay, our star pickup circle will go into here, and our star pickup ray will go into here. Okay, now we can create a new method for the star pickup animation. Okay, so first we'll create the two game objects that make up the animation. So star circle goes to game object instantiate pickup star pickup circle. Okay, and we'll do the same thing for the star ray. Oops. Okay, instantiate star pickup ray. Okay, now that we have these two game objects created, okay, let's set their position. Okay, pick up point. Okay, and we will start their animation. Hey, welcome back, Crazy Miner. And what's up, Dr. Knox 1? Okay, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce your nickname. Okay, get component animator dot set boolean if start animating is true. Okay, we will do the same thing for the star ray so that it will start animating as well. Okay, and then lastly we will destroy both of them after a short period of time. Okay, let's try 1.5. Star circle. Okay, we will destroy them both at the same time, since by then we do not need them anymore. Okay, so now that we have this method for the star pickup animation, okay, we can call it where we get the star, which is over here in the player script. Okay, spawn star Okay, so if this is where if your character touches a star, do pick up animation. Bottom left star. Okay, so we should use where the position of the star is. Okay, do the star pick up animation. Okay, that should do it for the script, but of course we have to test it. Okay, and that's what we're going to do now. Okay, is to run the game and test the new star pickup animation which we have just created. Oh shit. Okay, so we have a star over there. So if we touch it, if start animating does not exist. Oh, it's if start animation. If start animation is start animating. Okay, if start animating. Is true. Okay. Okay, and that's why we have to test. And test and test. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so the circle, the animation for the circle plate, but not for the... Okay, not for this race. So we have to check why. Okay, just for testing purposes, okay, we'll reduce the frame rate. Okay, we'll set it back to 60. Okay. And we'll wait for a longer period before we destroy the object. Okay, start backup ray, set boolean, destroy. Okay. Okay, but since we do not always get a star, so sometimes we have to restart the stage, as the drop rate for stars is not 100%. Okay, so we have a star here. Okay, so most likely the star rays were getting deleted or destroyed too fast.